Hello. This is SPRINGHILL heater, and I'm cooking pancakes. I got this from the store, the pan. I want to see if I can do it with one hand. I flip the pancake over. Can you do it? Yeah, one hand. The reason why I got the actual pan from Winter, because the pan is cast iron. It's made for it. And as you can see, one hand, flip it around. I'm cooking pancakes. I have 2 of them now. So if I want to cook a meal, I have 3 of them. I have another one coming. But it's a different type. But I believe I can cook on it too. It's the lantern one. I really like this. It's something new. It's on a power outage. There you go. And we're going to have blizzards. So, and I'm going to use it for, the other one I'm going to use, I'm going to make a video of it, is it drops down to the 18 mark, or minus. I'm going to use this to heat the engine up. I'm a professional auto technician, so don't do what I do. It's not safe, but I want to have the engine to heat up faster to warm up the oil, so I'm going to use this to heat up the outside. This is a hobo, beginning of the hobos. This was created for the hobos back in the day, and it's a replica of the hobo stove. A lot of people don't know that. So I'm cooking pancakes on it. Alright. Thank you for watching. God bless.